हज़ारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले। बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले। Thousands of such desires that each one is to die for. Many of my desires were fulfilled, but they were still too few. डरे क्यों मेरा कातिल, क्या रहेगा उसकी गर्दन पर। वो खून जो चश्मे तर से उम्र भर यूं दम बदम निकले। Why would my murderer be afraid? Would it remain on her neck, that blood which oozed from my teary eyes all my life? निकलना खुल्द से आदम का सुनते आए हैं, लेकिन बहुत बेआबरू होकर तेरे कूचे से हम निकले। We have been hearing about Adam's expulsion from paradise, but my expulsion from your alley was even more disgraceful. भरम खुल जाए जालिम तेरे कामत की दराजी का, अगर इस तुर्राए पुर पेचो खम का पेचो खम निकले। The reputation of your tall height will be tarnished, O cruel one, if the curls of your knotted hair were unfurled. मगर लिखवाए कोई उसको खत तो हमसे लिखवाए। हुई सुबह और घर से कान पर रखकर कलम निकले। If someone wants to have a letter written to her, they should have it written by me. Came morning and I came out of my house with a pen placed over my ear. हुई इस दौर में मंसूब मुझसे बादा आशामी, फिर आया वो ज़माना जो जहाँ में जामे जम निकले। In this era, I am the epitome of wine imbibing. Now again the time has come for the goblet of Jamshed to emerge. हुई जिनसे तवक्को खस्तगी की दाद पाने की, वो हमसे भी ज़्यादा खस्ताए तेग़े सितम निकले। Those whom I expected to be supportive in misery, they turned out to be even bigger victims than me of the sword of viciousness. मोहब्बत में नहीं है फ़र्क जीने और मरने का, उसी को देखकर जीते हैं जिसका फिर पे दम निकले। In love, there is no distinction between living and dying. I live by looking at the self-same infidel who takes my breath away. कहाँ में खाने का दरवाज़ा गालिब और कहाँ वाइज, पर इतना जानते हैं कल वो जाता था कि हम निकले। The door of the tavern, O Ghalib, and the preacher, two diametrically opposed entities. But this much I know, that yesterday I saw him go in as I came out.